Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open a bank account online on Scotiabank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Scotiabank opening account and click on open a bank account over here. Now we can see various options of bank accounts here. So let's tap on this one. Now simply click on apply as a new customer. Now we need to enter our details here. At first we need to enter our personal details, that is our title, first name, last name and phone number and email address. And we need to tick mark on all of this to confirm the terms and conditions and simply click on continue. After which we need to enter all the details like our contact details, employment details and identification details. After which we also need to provide our identity for the verification. Once all the details and the verification process is completed, finally our account will be created. So that is all we can do to open bank account online on Scotiabank. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.